I hope so, because I logged out, logged back in, and the account's not there yet.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know, man. But we are live. Hopefully, we don't have any issues like we had yesterday. Can I get a sound check from you, Abe's?
Check, check.
Oh, my sound's not right. Hold on.
All these fuckers better not fuck it up, bro.
Oh, well. I gotta mute you.
Oh,
uh, all right. Mm-mm. Sound check, Abe's?
check, check.
All right. Sound is good. Stream appears to be working properly today. Let's go. Seven and a half minutes. I'm disappointed in the news today. It didn't do anything. We don't have any more news today. Amazon has earnings tomorrow night. That could be interesting. Could be interesting. 'Your account working?
I don't see it, bro. I'm trying to look at old emails.
Hey, the data. You got an email that said your account was active?
Yeah.
Just give it a minute. Refresh or reload your database.
Did it off my phone and something, but doesn't show it.
Five minutes.
Mm. Okay, so yeah, they all say please log out of Ninja Trader.
Do
So you
it.
should be good, bro. Just straight away slagging. Where's everyone at?
Stay late. Stay late. It's typical.
I have to get one account at least to 2,600, bro.
Do it.
I need money.
Do it. You don't need money. You just need to perform well, my friend.
I
Money
need
will
money by the
come.
end of the month.
Money will come through good performance. What's the high day? 790. The low 590. 200 points. 757 open price.
So that email is not, it's BS, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, because that thing was like right at the bell. They sent me that email.
Mm-hmm.
And it said I only had 12 hours, bro.
Yeah. They're 5 hours late.
Now they send me another email. Your account is now active.
How many accounts you got funded now? 3?
3. But I have one that I just paid for it. Another one I need to pay for it tomorrow to be active. And then I have another one that I'm just waiting for the days.
Hmm.
But I'm going to wait that one out. I have like the whole month.
Let it sit. Ninety seconds. We got cash. Morning, sir. 30 seconds. Game seems to be working fine today. It's so strange. Must have had bad internet yesterday. Here we go.
Stumpy.
Therapy.
Are we going to hold this pivot?
S&P looks like it's bottoming out and moving up. Nasdaq's going down. Going down. $30 so far. 3 minutes on the opening range. That 600 level looks juicy.
Jeez, we're dumping.
When it controls at 670. That's pretty much the trend line resistance on the 5-minute. Bounce. S&P got red.
I'm long from 39.
You're long?
Yeah, from 39. All right, I'm out. Locked in $300.
Go to 60.
5 account.
Red.
Oh, I should have stayed in it.
We got 60. Moving averages are pointing down. Trend is down. Momentum's down. Price action is down. Short, short, short.
We're gonna push down.
Short, short, short. Short at. 30 seconds on the range. 35 points.
S&P's dumping, bro.
Yeah.
Bien, bien. Sí.
Get right.
Yeah, I would have we have to take a short here, like big time. I mean, I'm short, like a mental short right here, 630.
Look, people, we are dumping.
Yeah, 630
Stop
mental
ES
short,
sell.
getting
And sellers ES. Stop ES sell.
yeah,
You see how we broke through it? Liquidity came in and added on.
Fortunes fires and Q.
Darn
Still
it.
going through it.
yep, they're going through it. Yep,
Making a bunch of noise
That's
over
right.
there.
okay, yeah,
Mute that guy.
yep. I'm going to it. It's just yeah.
We're going down.
Yep. There you go. There is your direction.
Going down. 600's right here.
Yep.
So
Just
a lot
watch
of
let's watch the tape and see what's going on, but I
see
would,
how thick the buy side is at 600
yeah. Yeah, I mean,
compared
if
to the
you could
sell.
break 600, Jesus. But yeah, it could be a nice, like right here. So, I would have been out, obviously, of that trade right here. And then maybe playing the bounce. I don't know.
That's back in the book.
But again, I wouldn't I'll just take my money and run. There it is.
Tons of buyers at 600. Are they going to get white? Moving down to 90. There's 590. Low of the day, new low. We're below that daily trend line now. It's been broken. We got a potential to 365
All right, I'm done for the day, bro.
on the daily. Done.
Well, 575 on the
Nice.
live account.
Buyers down to 550. Don't see much
S&P
selling.
down.
Hmm?
S&P down. There's a page bouncing.
Nasdaq is trying to bounce.
Go to 630. And then
Oh, it's not.
short.
I was long at 88.
Automatically. Seller at 650. Buyer sitting at 500. Another one at 550. Seller at 800. More liquidity to the downside than the upside right now. I think 630 could be the entry. S&P hasn't even come close to the low of day yet. No news today. All done. One of controls at 608. Right there. We're going 630.
You all right?
Hmm?
You all right?
I don't know. Might not make it that high. Funny.
S&P is about to go for the high. Did you guys long it?
Mm-mm. All right.
Oh, I should have stayed at my lawn, bro. Oh,
630.
I was just, I was long at 88, bro. Jeez.
630. Tapped it.
Oh, we're ripping, bro.
Either the short entry or we're going all the way back. I'm not going to be
I think
wrong
we go
like I
to
was
50,
yesterday.
bro.
Hmm? We got
If we push up, we should go test 50.
we got liquidity at 50. We got a moving average at 50.
I have an old pivot at 630.
Big sell order just went through.
You're right, trader.
Red. Yes, sir. 630 was the
I told you
answer.
you were right.
Did you
You,
short
you
it?
went short longer?
No, I didn't.
Nasdaq's pushing back up.
Oh, do we have
I have
news?
an old pivot at 18 as well.
No, today we don't have news.
25 now. I don't like shorting this close
Pushing
to a
down.
whole number, man.
I don't know why you guys aren't shorting it.
We're right at 600. I don't like being in around these whole numbers.
Me neither.
Don't like it. I mean, 630 would have been great if you grabbed it while the thing was ripping. And there's a lot of buyers at 600 down to the 590.
Going down. Going down.
Going down. That right there is why I don't like shorting near the whole number.
Yeah, it bounced right
Oh,
back.
bounces 12, 15 points, gets stopped out, then it wrecks. There it goes. Tons of buyers at 90. Sending out. Going down.
It'll be a double bottom.
Flat. Looking down, pointing down, pointing down. 620 now, resistance. Sellers at 25. That's why I don't like shorting at 600, man. Look at this. They tease you with a little bit of green and then wreck. This is the entry up here.
Or what?
If it's going to be a short at 20. But it might go all the way to 50. Short again, 620. Can we break 600?
Sure.
No, I didn't short it. I mean, I called it. I'm replaying yesterday in my head, though, and it was bad trying to short the resistance. Where are we at on the day? We're down 200 points on the day already.
We're at 600 again.
Buy side is thick at 90.
I think we are going to dump.
I think so too, but we're extended already. That daily trend line should act like a magnet back to the upside, but you never know. Trend line is sitting at 700. Daily trend, 20 moving average. We could bottom out at 550. And if that breaks down, we could see 360s. I've been calling 360s for a while now, a couple weeks, at least a week. Top of the hour, 7 minutes.
Are we going back up?
613. UF said like 6. Oh wow, 610 got red. Ours down to 570. Market smash. New low day. S&P has not even come close to making a low day. A new low day. Not even near the overnight low. Yet.
I'll be back in a bit, bros.
Okay.
All right.
Control 608. Downtrend 608. Moving average 608. Potential to 630. $650. 210 points on the day. Everything's red. Gold's break even. $600.
I'm short.
Shorting?
Yes.
600?
605.
That's a good entry. We can break
Maybe yes,
600.
maybe not.
It looks like there's more liquidity to the upside, but do have a potential down to 75 for a new low day.
I was looking to 580.
Kind of choppy in this range. IMO. I think this 586 could be a good target. Copy in that range. 86 was the bottom. Can we break it? Good entry, golfer. I just don't know if we'll get a flush. Triple bottom. Triple bottom so far. And it's long.
It can be. It's reverse.
Big pro. Pin resistance here, golfer. Potential to 25. Get stopped.
Me? Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Profit?
24 bucks.
Man.
This press action is horrible.
Yeah.
Choppy. Choppy in this range. We're squeezing to the downside. But we're down pretty good. I mean, it seems like every time I say we're already down too much, it goes another 100 points. But we're already down.
I feel like I want to short, but I don't know. It can reverse.
Yeah.
And the problem is, if you don't catch the short, you are not going to be able to market smash.
We're squeezing a wedge on the S&P, trying to form an uptrend. Squeezing a wedge on the NASDAQ, not forming an uptrend. Top of the hour has come and gone. Previous hour candle was nasty. Put a little bottom wick. Current hour candle looks like it wants to bounce. We can break 610. We could push all the way back to 50. 30 first and then 50. The book is lit up.
I can't find a direction right now.
Book is lit up. Up to 630 and down to 565. More buyers than sellers, it appears. Appearances can be deceiving. So far, the 1 minute is respecting that 20 moving average. It's 605 now.
I am
Good
short.
break.
Trying to squeeze into the
Sure.
downside here. Meanwhile, oil is just like completely shitting the bed today. So is gold, actually.
S&P is only down half as bad as the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's done its full ATR already. We have a 300-point day today, 400-point day today.
Are we get a new low?
Perhaps. Perhaps. I'm smashing it.
Order
Short.
filled.
Let's go.
So trader.
Let's go down to 50. No.
Stop filled.
Damn it. That's why I don't like doing that shit. Down 1 unit. And then it drops. So
Yeah,
typical, man.
should have stayed.
So fucking typical. Should have waited to get in. S&P is getting nasty. $550 is approaching. Damn it, those bastards. Target achieved. Without me in it. 20 damn points, those bastards. 25 points, man.
This was funny.
That was $1,000 trade that went down the toilet, the turlet. S&P approaching low of the day.
Same with Earl.
$535 down to 500 liquidity. New 15-minute bar. 45 seconds. Bar is nasty. No wick. Now 275 points on the day. Going 500, 490. We're at that spot on the daily chart, 540. Good hold.
It can hold.
Good hold. Could be the bottom.
Or maybe not.
Could be just the beginning of the end, but it could be the bottom.
Beginning of the
Yeah. I think 490 could be like the max low of the day. S&P made a new low. Big old chunky buyer sitting at 500. Under control at 608 still. Going long.
Order
I want
filled.
to. Should I? Trader?
Make up your own decision, sir.
You are incapable of helping.
I already told you I'm going long. $650 is the target. 48. Go.
Is ripping.
Let's go.
Nice trader.
Take one
Order
off.
submitted.
Locked
Order
in, locked in
filled.
one. Move the stop to slightly under break even. Go 48. Let's go. You know what? I think I'm gonna jump out. I don't like the price action.
Order
I'm
filled.
out. Down 30 bucks. Let's see if we can get a bounce at 530. Target should be 60. And I jumped out too early. Okay. Never trust a big booty. I'm having trust issues with the longs right now, just, rightfully so. But that was a good trade. 2 points from hitting the target. We could have trouble right there at 47. I think I made the right decision to jump out with my profits. Might blow through 47 and run to 60. But it's looking like it's resisting that level. Apparently. Could see 56. Moving average on the 1 minute. 5 minute, previous 5 minute bar open. That was a good exit. Might be forming an uptrend here. See what happens. Roll reversal. Could run all the way back up to 600 in the next half hour. If we don't keep getting sold off, obviously. All right, we're breaking that 47. We got potential to 56. Sellers are stacking up at 57, 58. Big buyer at 500 is propping this thing up from going any lower. And we might have seen the bottom, guys. 525. What did I call out earlier? 530. We hit 525. Looking like it wants to bounce. Previous range was 587. We got a moving average at 85. We can break 55. We're going to 85. Pretty confident. Pretty confident. S&P could run all the way back up to 60. Could see some trouble right there at that 57 level. That's right here, moving average 1 minute. We've been respecting that 1 minute moving average all morning. I think if we break it, that's going to tell us what we need to know. Testing it now. Sellers are stacking at 62. We should hold 38 or 40 if we're going to make the reversal. Otherwise, I think we'll go see 500. Small seller sitting at 650. There's no other real liquidity to the upside. Small orders at 25 and 600. Then they get bigger around 680 down to 660. Breaking 57. Let's go. To pop this level, we could push 70s, 80s. Squeezing in right there. Previous level. 7 down to 45. Tight range. I think the bottom's in, guys. We push back to 590, 580. Should have stayed long. I would have got stopped out. Could have got back in. S&P potential to 460, 458. Retrace half of the 15-minute bar, we're looking at 70s. Anybody gone long yet?
Mentally 67. Wait,
Shorter.
I'm crazy. Mentally from
We're
56.
going back. Breaking that previous 5-minute bar. Tight price action here at 57. All right, we're going to 80. We're going to 80. I bought the bottom and got out early. S&P's going back to 60, Nasdaq to 80. Could see some trouble at 70.
I made some damage, but I'm down right here.
See,
I'm down. You see that? But that's fine. I mean, you see the account is fine. But time-wise,
70.
we had time. So that's my time right here. I fucked up in many ways today. I think that they were big. So here's the thing, like in the first 15 minutes, they were like a big A seller. And I've seen that guy. And I was like, oh, I want to go short because I've seen that in that first 15-minute candle. It was like, I think it was like in the 640s, like hundreds of, contract being sold. And I was like, and then that first 15-minute candle was going down, and I was like, I wish I could, go short, but I respect my plan.
Don't
I
worry
want to
about
wait
it.
for that first minute candle.
I'm gonna do what I want to do.
And then
This
that
is
second 15-minute candle didn't really push. You see, it's like
I
a kind of
appreciate
doji.
everyone that comes in.
So it kind of
because
faked
there's
me
gonna be
out
people out
in
there
terms
that
of
don't
like
like what's happening
bottom.
or are trying to
And
focus on
then,
things.
of course,
Understand.
like
This
the 7
tradition
o'clock, like,
it's the worst, especially how you have everything set
so
up.
yeah.
At the
So
same
I
time,
miss,
70.
when that
this
thing,
is the
I was
time
long,
where
I
I
was
get the most
trying to buy the
viewers. This
dip,
is the
and then I
time to
remember those big sell
attention to the
order, so I
audience.
went short.
This is the time to get people to come back and
Yeah.
watch.
Mute that guy.
This
Come
is
on.
what I'm working on, growing the channel.
Yeah.
So X, if
That
you want
is really
It's interesting, brother. It's my
Tip
first time. I
buttons right
never
there.
heard it
Go ahead
before.
and
I was like, what?
48.
Interesting.
sit.
Yeah, but you're talking and he's talking and I'm watching the charts and it's really
I know that.
confusing.
I never heard it before. It was my first time. I always thought it was a foreign channel. So I was just curious. Out of
The
curiosity.
570 was the top.
I even think that it's a distraction. I even think that the whole thing is a
50%
distraction.
retracement on the 15-minute.
It's a
So you did well today. Jenny,
We're holding
Sorry?
that uptrend.
What do you say, brother?
you didn't
Yes,
do
you.
well.
I can hear you, Trader Power. Speak.
You said
You
you
didn't
didn't
do
do well
well.
today.
I really can't. Like, Trader, if you can't stop talking, I can't hear what you're going to say.
He's asking you, did you do well? Did you do well today or no? Journey? Can you hear
No, I
that?
have a red day, brother. Red day. I have a red day, brother. I lost 480. It's on
Okay.
it's on my it's on my
The market wasn't easy at the start, but now
yeah.
it's more.
So I pulled 500 on my drawdown. You can see here. If you log in, I pulled 500 on my drawdown today, which is fine. Which is, we used to do account, so. And then I'm out of like 7:30. For me, it's my super deadline. And then I was trading micro today. I wasn't feeling like trading minis or anything. So I think managing your red days is the most important. It's what makes you successful. It's not the big green days that make you successful. It's the small red day that make you successful. But yeah, I still believe it's a short. I still believe it's a short. Again, like, it looks heavy as fuck. Yeah, I got a huge rejection right here. But yeah, who knows?
By the dude. Sell the red, potential 55 resistance.
Yeah, look at that long. On the bookmark, they say it's a long. They say they had orders sitting here since this morning that were added. So that's what the guy was saying. I thought it was very interesting. So he was the guy on that channel was calling for the bottom here, according to the bookmark. Which Trader also is calling for it because it's long. You long still, brother? Bias,
No. I got
but bias
a.
from. Are you still long bias?
I don't think. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I think we could go down to 500. We tried to form an uptrend right here, and it broke it. But then it immediately pushed back up. But it's resisting that 20 on the 1 minute.
Mm.
It's been respecting it all day long. For an hour.
Yeah, no, that, like I said, I think the lesson for today was that big sell order that we saw in the first 15-minute candle. I don't remember. I had it, but it went away. It was, I don't know, 600 contracts, something like that, in the 60s, 640, and then this thing just fucking up. The second 15-minute candle was not easy to trade today. But the 7 o'clock candle, 10 o'clock candle for you was like, yeah. Like once we broke the low, that would have been a nice, easy, once we broke 590. I mean, we were choppy a little bit here, but basically once we broke 85, third time we went for 85, I should have said, okay, I'm gonna go down. All right, gentlemen, it was a good day. Shall see you tomorrow.
You are going already?
What?
You are going already?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, big time, brother. Like for me, statistically, like if I continue trading, I will lose more money.
Oh, that is true.
That is what it is. If I continue trading right now, I will lose more money. Where right now I have a loss that I can totally slip with and totally be fine with. Like this loss is like nothing. Cause I take it, I go home.
You are doing right.
Yeah, no, it's what's gonna make the difference. That's the trading plan. It's not the trading strategies. It's not. It's the plan. Just I wasn't successful today in being green, but I was successful in following my plan, and that's is the most important. And as a result, I'm not that red.
Tomorrow you recover.
What?
Tomorrow you will recover.
Yeah. That's like, well, that's nothing. Like, I mean, this account I completed it, so I'm just gonna wait for I wanted to trade today, but tomorrow I probably, and like for me, it's weird. Yeah. Oh, not Monday today, but beginning of the week is harder. Wednesday. Today's Wednesday is midweek, so it's like that. It's good. Good risk management. Looks like A's made 500.
All right, Johnny.
Sir,
Go. Have a nice day and see you
I'll come
tomorrow.
back later to just to chit chat.
Okay,
But,
perfect.
but for now, I'm gonna move on with the day a little bit. Do some cool stuff.
Where do we go? Where do we go? And you go for
Uh, uh, I thought we were going up, but apparently not. I'm going to do my last trade of the day. I'm going short.
Don't don't like it. Trending up currently. Trending up now.
Yeah, I'm going to this up.
Trending up. So. If you wanted to short, now would be a good time or a better opportunity. But we are tight right now from 55 to 44, 10 points. If we break this 55, we can go push for 70 again. If we break 70, we're going to 600, 595, somewhere in that vicinity. The bottom's in, man. Selling's done. We are extended to the downside on the day. We could always go lower, man, but currently that buyer at 500 is propping it up. Propping it up. We need to do some retracing. Back to 90s, 80s or 90s. Still the top of that channel.
No.
Get, your, get yourself 5 or 6 points. You just need to make one little trade, right?
Yeah, I already did.
You get another account.
No, they don't have a promotion. I'm not going to pay the current price.
You can get 50% off.
Yeah, it's still expensive.
Mm-hmm.
They can keep their 50%. For that price, I'm going to top step. It's $50.
mm. Need to get over 70 in the next 5 minutes. At least over 65. Otherwise, see more selling.
Yeah, me too.
Currently, there's nothing under 500. Just there's no liquidity at all. The book is lit up again from 500 all the way up to 600 and 650. Oh, looking good. Just shorted the top of that channel, gone for 55. Mm. Going to see 500? Or we're going to stop right there? 30. Going.
Oh, that would be a nice by the dip at 30.
Back to 55. We got 2 minutes to run it back up, or else this 15-minute chart's going to be looking really nasty.
Yeah.
Hour as well. We might go see 490. Or we double bottom and do the chingadera. Might just take my $30 L and be done for the day. It's getting late. Price action is not really all that interesting. 8 minutes. A 15-minute bar closed it out nasty. We could shop in the range here. Low a day
Or we
back up.
can, or we can dump.
Low of the day back up to 65. Yeah, or we could go see that 490. That's a weekly level. Buyer at 500 still sitting there. S&P's dumping new lows. We got small liquidity down to 480. Rather large order at 500 and building at 505. Downtrend on the S&P is nasty. Nasty.
We're dumping.
Nasty. Tons of buyers, 505 and 500. All the way down to 485. That weekly levels at 487. Three hours of selling now. We're down 300 points on the day. There has to be some sort of relief bounce or exhaustion from the sellers at some point. Tons of buyers from 95 to 505. Will they get wiped? Or are they going to buy the dip? I don't want to go long. Back to 30, 28.
That might be a bad idea, trader.
It might be a bad idea, but you'll never know until you try it. Let's wait for 490. We're really extended off the VWAP. 630. 630. 120 points below VWAP. 5-minute moving averages at 580, 70 points extended. Yeah, it was a good dip by golfer. Back to 28. Let's go. Easy money, golfer. Easy money. You talked me out of it. It's all your fault, you bastard.
I was expecting that.
Yeah, I kind of was expecting it. All the way back to 28, bro. 4 more points. My target would have got hit, or I would have locked it in. Two points from target. Dag on it. Should have took that trade, man. Oh, look at what's at 28. Mm-hmm. It's very interesting. Trend is there. Moving average is there. Struggling to break that previous low. By 10 could be another dip buy. Or it could be bye-bye. It was a dip buy at 510. Back to 27. 25 again. Easy money. Easy money. Sellers at 25. Easy money trade golfer from 510. Again. Again. Didn't take it.
You are killing.
Hmm?
You are killing.
My analysis is on point. My executions are
You are
subpar.
sharp today.
Sharp.
I remember that you called that 30 level at the start, remember?
Yes. Yesterday too. It was 7:30 yesterday. 5:30 today. That has since been broken. I don't know what it could do now. Let's go look at the daily. $490. That $490 level. Double bottom. Triple bottom. On the daily. There's a 400-point range that we're in right now. It bounced 490 and then run back up to 860 by tomorrow, by Friday. Or we could tumble it, man, in 360s and then all the way down to 15,120. Still have a heavy buyer at 500 and a little guy backing him up at 95. Liquidity all the way down to 75. Smaller orders. Here comes 490. Buyer at 500 is gone. We could see 75. We could stop at 90. 320 points on the day. $130 points off of VWAP. They bought the dude 490. Liquidity down to 62. Up 525. 525 was that previous level right there. Let's drop this. It's almost like magic, man. You just drop your trend lines down and they level out right where they're supposed to level out. Like magic. Buyers are concentrated now from 80 to 90.
And I was mentally short from 23. The motherfuckers bounced that shit when you went long.
Mm-hmm.
I would be stop break even and then they dump. It's like they know
They do know.
when stupid people like me enter.
You just have to be patient, man, and enter where you would stop out or get back in. It's always hard to get back in, but what you got to do. Or you got to wait and get in where you would get out. 490. 490. The bottom. The bottom for the day. Go 70s, but I would still call that the bottom. 490. You do another 100 points easily. Will it happen? 80 more points. It'll put us at 400, man. Bottom of this weekly range is fucking way down here at freaking 280. It's a huge range. Huge range. There's another weekly level inside of it. 325, 305 to 325. Going long.
Order
Instantly
filled.
green. Let's go. I don't know if I should do this. Probably a mistake. Nice.
Order
no, 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 no.
submitted.
Cancel, cancel, cancel.
Order
Ah, fuck.
filled.
They filled me for bullshit profit. Jumping out.
Order
I
canceled.
just don't trust it. Again, and it rips. Pendejo. Caught the bottom again, gone for up to 513, 510, 508. I think I'm green on the day now. Yeah, $60. Cabbage. Should have stayed long. It's hard to stay long in this kind of selling pressure today, golfer. I'm gonna be done with my 60. I'm gonna take the stream down. Thanks for viewing. See you tomorrow.